Serve astrology, the true sense of the seers. In a world overflowing with theories and predictions, with lots of contradictions too, have we forgotten what astrology was meant to be served? The seers spoke of astrology as a mirror of consciousness, not a tool of confusion. Yet today we witness the changing orbits of selective theories for own benefits and the fading memory of astrology and its pure grammar. Have we perhaps covered our own hypocrisy in the name of evolution? We chase theories we now contradict and wonder why doubts rise. Have we lost the astrology that once served society? Let's pause and return to where it all began. Serve astrology, the true sense of the seers. Explore with Astro Sutras by Anupam and Kaushik, where we seek not fame but the soul of astrology. Astrology is not about prediction alone, it is about perception. When we serve astrology with humility, it serves humanity back with light. The grammar of the stars is still alive. If only we listen beyond the numbers, the signs and the theories and lots of contradictions. Beyond the noise of ego, there still breathes a silent wisdom waiting to be remembered. Let us not distort the divine rhythm with personal pride. Let us decode the soul of astrology, not just its symbols. Respect to all who study, question, and evolve, yet remember the roots. The stars never changed, only our interpretations did. It is time to reawaken the language of light, pure, humble, and serving the seeker within. Respect to all who walk this path with sincerity. Join us again as we decode the timeless Astro Sutras by Anupam and Kaushik, exploring the pure soul of astrology. We say it, learn astrology with logics, that is astrologically. Thank you.